Hey everyone! Canva has two different video editors, the timeline editor and the scene editor. The timeline editor is designed for more advanced editing because it gives you a multi-track timeline for better control over your clips. The scene editor is simpler and is better for quick edits by working with individual scenes. Before we start, subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Let's begin. Open Canva. Then click on your profile icon. Now click your account. Scroll down until you find Use New Multi-Track Video Editor. Turn this option on if you want to use the timeline editor. Or turn it off if you want to switch back to the scene editor. The change takes effect immediately, so just open any video project to see the selected editor. You can switch between both editors anytime without losing your project, media, or edits. Try both and use the one that best fits your editing style. That's all. If this video helped you, leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials.